Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Hi, how are you? Thank you so much. हाँ जी. I think बहुत अच्छा experience रहा because he's one of the leaders I look up to, and to be standing, I think that was the first time I was starstruck in my life. And मैंने उन्हें बोला that how he's inspired me. तो उन्होंने हंस के मुझे बोला that I know that out of the 7 followers that I had on Twitter, that people I was following on Twitter, he was one of them. So it was a little embarrassing for me. I was following him. So I only followed 7 people on Twitter initially, and he was one of them, and the other one was Prime Minister of India, which is again him. So it was kind of funny for me that he noticed all these small things. मैंने उनसे बहुत सवाल पूछे because I am a very curious kid, and वो थोड़े से secret सवाल है मेरे. Thank God it was a private meeting, but a lot of silly questions, but most of all like how can I help, because I want to contribute for my country. हाँ जी. जी बिल्कुल. Yesterday I had the opportunity to be awarded Indian of the Year by him, and मेरे को मौका भी मिला कि मैं उनसे question पूछूं. So that's how I met him. Not really, but I think he is one of the best international batsmen that we have today, and he did get his 5th double century recently, a few days after my victory. So I think he's really inspirational. I really look up to him. Dabangg 3. मुझे भी खबर ये अभी मिल रही है, but it's very exciting actually because I'd love to do action, and by the way, I'm a Taekwondo green belt. Not very proud of it though, green belt, but I did do Taekwondo. I think it's fun, yeah. Good evening, hi. I beg your pardon? Oh, I'm wearing Falguni and Shane Peacock, my favorite. They designed my finale gown for Miss World as well. Sonam Kapoor, absolutely. Good evening. Yesterday, yes. I think, I'm not much. I've not seen much of Bollywood, to be honest, and it is a style award show, and I'm really looking forward to it, to celebrate it with the glamour side of our country, because that is what India is known for. हाँ जी. Well, मैं अपने project जो menstrual hygiene पे उसके लिए काफ़ी travel कर रही थी, and I happened to come across her on a flight, and I was like, it was a Miss India moment for both of us, and उन्होंने मुझे बोला that make the country proud, and making the country proud doesn't mean that just to stand over there and win. It means to win hearts, and I'm glad I was able to do that. Yes, absolutely. I've been to Delhi. I've been to Haryana as well. In fact, a lot of change has been coming because Haryana was known for a skewed sex ratio, but thanks to the government's efforts lately, that has been tackled. And yesterday I was in a press conference with the Chief Minister of Haryana, and he did declare, in keeping in mind the project that I have for menstrual hygiene, that he's put an 18 crore budget to provide free sanitary pads to schools in Haryana. At the same time, he is really enthusiastic to have me as the brand ambassador of Anemia Free Haryana. Yes, 30 days to go for a new year, and a new journey in my life because I'll be traveling around the world. This new year is full of excitement for me because I'll be visiting more than 4 continents, and we'll be visiting a lot of projects, and there'll be a lot of learning for me. Thank you.
Hello.
I'm wearing Amit Agarwal structure. I love wearing Amit's clothes, or the last time I wore it actually wore for the Filmfare Award. So Amit is my Filmfare connection. Say for the evening, I think that this is the season to be glamorous, stylish. So let's enjoy this season. I look up to a few people, but I like to have my own style where I'm just comfortable with what I'm wearing. But of course, Sonam, who's set landmarks in the fashion and style industry, so Sonam for sure. And I just think Mr. Bachchan because he's so classy. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm very fond of Jello, Jennifer Lawrence, and apart from that, in India, I like Deepika Padukone a lot. I'm wearing Richa Nanawat and styled by Akansha. Thank you.
Where? Raisa? Come where?
हेलो कैसे हैं आप? हाँ या द हेयर इज जस्ट ग्रोइंग या ये दिस इज structured by rather I would use the word rather than using the word designed by, I would use the word structured by Nivedita Sabu. उन्होंने कुछ नया किया है. It is a very constructed jacket on one side और एक side पे it's a mesh sabu and on the other side it's a mesh. So it's a great combination what she worked on. स्टाइल ही सब कुछ है. मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे बचपन में कहा था कि जो भी करो स्टाइल से करो. क्रिकेट भी खेलो तो स्टाइल से खेलो. आई थिंक आई टोटली बिलीव इन दैट. लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स द क्रेडिट गोज टू द टैलेंट इवेंचुअली, बट इनिशियली इट इज़ द स्टाइल. थैंक यू.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Are you going back? Are you going back?
No, I came to
Sorry. Yes. The designer that I'm wearing tonight is Zara Umrigar. Zara Umrigar. I'll give you the spelling later. I also learned it right now. You know, I think style is very personal. I don't think you can sort of copy someone or look up to someone and hate someone. I think the reason why you like certain things on your body and on yourself is because it's your choice. It's a little bit of you. So I feel style is very, very personal, and you should only and only wear what you feel comfortable in and what makes you feel beautiful. On work front, the only thing that I can probably talk about is Arjun Patiala, which is with Diljit, and that's going to start somewhere around Feb. And it's a completely comedy kind of a space, which is really very interesting also because I've never worked with Diljit before, and he's a fantastic actor, and I'm really looking forward to that. It's very scary. It's scary to be a part of the industry and see something like that happening. I think no matter what you do, acting is our job. We are sort of portraying characters, which is our job. And I'll be scared to sort of portray a character in future where you know it might offend someone and publicly someone can sort of give me a death threat. It is very scary. But I also feel, honestly, that it's something that maybe media should not really be showing also so much. You know, if a normal person also goes out there and says that, you know, I give a reward on so-and-so thing, I don't think you would really show it. It's not something to be shown. It's not something to be spread. So I think it needs to be like taken care of from every end. Done? Straight. अरे आज आपने क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा बहुत मिस कर रही थी sorry what is happening hi how are you hi any questions I'm sorry style is something very personal, and I feel style is something that you either have it or you don't. You can't borrow it and you can't fake it. Hi. Next film, but that did get announced. It's with Yash Raj Films, and it's releasing on January 2019. It's with Hrithik and Tiger Shroff. Not yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff, they both are phenomenal actors, dancers, you know. So I'm just, I'm very excited to work with them. New Year's, I think I'm celebrating with my parents at home, I think. I'm a boring person. I'm wearing Zed Naqab. Zed Naqab. No. 1 second. I'm sorry. It's very confusing, you know, these names. I start to hyperventilate and I
Zed Naqab only, you're right.
Zed Naqab.
Zed Naqab.
Thank you. Very tough. Next time. I'll customize my own dress next time. Mohit Rai. He's here actually. Somewhere. But he's here. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Hi. Alpana Neeraj. Yes. Two hours, to be realistic. That's not that bad, huh? Other people take much longer, I think. Sometimes 1.5. Yeah.
I think Sridevi ma'am, because she's really very elegant, but also she has fun with fashion. She has a nice balance of both. So yeah. Parmanu is coming up, yes. So that's in February, on the 23rd of Feb. Shoot, we finished shooting, so now it's we're just waiting for Feb. I'm waiting for Feb 23rd. Hi. Happy? I've still not started shooting. Now we're starting. Yeah. So I think she said she starts on the 5th and I start on the 10th. I'm sorry? I have to ask the makers. I can't hear you. Yeah, but all those questions you have to ask the makers of the film. I can't answer. I said all those questions you have to ask the makers of the film, not me. Yes. Yeah. Obviously. Sorry? I saw it. Thank God you didn't tell me the end. Because, yeah. Now you can tell me the end because I saw it after that on the same day. So far, no plans. I think something quiet and in town only. So let's see. Maybe Goa. Well, I want to continue doing good work, and hopefully that will happen. And I want to, just be happy and healthy. Thank you. See you.
Yeah, I think I just cross. Hi. Hi, कैसे हो आप लोग? It's been a while now since I've come out. Yeah, जी. I'm wearing Arushi Abin style by Anisha and Rochelle, and I think the first time that I actually feel ready. So that feels nice. Yeah. Style-wise, I think internationally Blake Lively, I like her a lot. India mein I like Deepika a lot. I like Alia a lot. I think unka style is very relaxed, and I like that. Yeah. Hi. Yes, I have. So I've signed with Kriyash. I made that announcement sometime back, and yeah, I'll announce which film it is soon. Abhi to main Savyasati pe kaam kar rahi hu. So yeah, that's about it. New Year's. I hope I'm working. So hopefully I'm working. Let's see. I don't know as yet. I want the Best Debut Award this 2 years. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. नहीं of course मैं आऊँगी. आपको कैसे मैं ना खुश करके जाऊँ? हाँ. Well, ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाउन मैंने चुना है. मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट ने चुना है, मोहित राय ने. नुपुर कनोई का गाउन है.
मेरा आज वक्त नहीं मिला, मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं वहाँ जाके आ जाऊँगा.
Come stand with me, come.
अच्छा, मैं एक साथ सोना के साथ हमारी
खत्म कर लेंगे. क्या? अरे बहुत न्यूज़. इनसे न्यूज़ नहीं निकलेगी. आप क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ,
Congratulations कहना चाहूँगी. Very proud of you, Karan.
बहुत गर्व की बात है मेरे लिए.
Congratulations कहना चाहूँगी. I'm very proud of you.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि फाइनली मैं और सोनाक्षी सिन्हा काम कर चुके हैं और ये कोई इत्तेफाक नहीं था और ये फिल्म चल गई, वो भी कोई इत्तेफाक नहीं था। तो यही है कि हम एक और भी फिल्म कर रहे हैं जिसका अनाउंसमेंट आप बहुत जल्द ही सुनने वाले हैं। शुद्धि नहीं, उसका नाम और डिटेल्स आप करीबन 2 हफ्तों में आपको सुनाई देगा। नहीं, मैंने इस बार थोड़ी छुट्टी दे दी है ताकि दूसरे जो होस्ट हैं वो भी आ जाएं मैदान जंग में।
प्लीज सर, आप टेक योर टाइम।
ब्रह्मास्त्र के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं, प्रेप मोड में है। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं रणबीर आलिया और बच्चन साहब हैं फिल्में, फरवरी मार्च में शुरू हो जाएगी। ट्रिलॉजी है, पहली पार्ट हम अगले साल शुरू करेंगे। होपफुली हर 2 साल बाद एक नया पार्ट आ जाएगा ब्रह्मास्त्र का। ये मैं रिवील नहीं कर पाऊंगा अभी, मैं नहीं बता सकता आपको इतनी सारी डिटेल्स।
थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो।
देखिए हम यहाँ आप फिल्मफेयर और फैशन और स्टाइल के बारे में कोई सवाल नहीं कर रहे।
बारे में पूछिए।
वो दिख ही रहा है, वो तो दिख ही रहा है। हाँ, आप सोनम जी आई हैं जो फैशन की दुकान है।
फैशन इज हियर। सॉरी, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। I think this is not the right place, but I'd like to say that जो भी हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है and it shouldn't happen. हमारी कंट्री में अगर ऐसे openly threats दिए जाए तो I don't think that's the correct thing and I think strict action should be taken against it. But that's all I'll say now. बाकी का बाद में हम बात करेंगे।
आप टेकिंग विद सोना। हाँ, क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं? क्या करें? About what?
हाय, कैसे आप?
एक मिनट में हाय बोल लूँ।
Yeah, somebody. Yeah. I'm wearing Nikhil Shantanu with Xenia shoes.
And you know what? जैसे एक normally in a big star-cast film is an ensemble cast है ना, so I'm wearing quite a mixed match with a Troy Costa trousers and a DK and my 2-button and a top hat.
नहीं सुनाई दिया आपको? कोई बात नहीं, इसमें आ गया, इसमें आ गया। सुमित नमस्ते।
सुमित जी नमस्कार।
हाँ, यहाँ पर खासकर हम पहली बार शायद बॉम्बे में एक साथ हैं। कभी ये दिल्ली होता है, मैं कभी चंडीगढ़ होता हूँ, तो पहली बार साथ में आए, सो इट्स गुड फन। घर में तो एक साथ ही होते हैं वैसे। मेरा स्टाइल आइकॉन बहुत है, रायन गोसलिंग है फ्रॉम द फिल्म ला ला लैंड। आई थिंक ही वाज वेरी गुड इन दैट फिल्म। वो कैरेक्टर मुझे बहुत पसंद है स्टाइलिंग के हिसाब से, बिकॉज वेरी रेट्रो 90s है थोड़ा सा, तो या दैट वाज लॉट ऑफ फन। या
There's a rapper called Rick Ross. You know, he also wears these glasses and he has a Kajal tattoo on his face. He is, I think, bang on when it comes to style.
That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you. निकल
आयुषा आप
Which designer? This is Paula K. Paula K? Paula K? Who is this designer? So Stefan Roland. Stefan Roland. Which I knew. Yes. Who do I look up to in fashion? मुझे लगता है कि रेखा जी actually एक बहुत बड़ी fashionista है, and I think from her time she was, you know, always on point, and I think this generation's Rekha ji to me would probably be Sonam. I mean, I find it sad. I find it sad that people have to resort to death threats. There's better, more peaceful way of resolving things, and you know, just, I mean, no one should ever be exposed, or no one should ever be succumb to death threats. I think that's the worst kind of like behavior anyone could have. Race 3 has been really exciting. I finished my first day of shoot and we had a great time. Just reuniting back with, you know, Salman, working with Remo again, working on a franchise I worked in before. So yeah, and I'm looking forward to our next big schedule now in Jan.
हेलो, कैसे हैं आप सब? हाय 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 हाय, हेलो एवरीवन. Yeah? Well, I have an amazing stylist, Astha. She really puts in her heart and soul to make sure that I keep upping my style quotient and keep showing different sides of my personality. She is amazing, and I'm wearing one of my closest friends today, so it's a very special day for me. I'm wearing Nikhil's. I'm wearing a creation done by Nikhil Thampi, who's a very dear friend, so I'm very excited. Yes, it was a lot of fun. It was a great experience. The closing ceremony was fantastic. I had a master class there, which was pretty good. So good experience. Of course, I think we are a free country and we should have freedom of speech in every aspect of our nation, and I'm a very big fan of Sanjay Sir's, and I think Deepika is lovely, and I truly cannot wait till I watch Padmavati. We all totally stand with them. जी, मेरी अगली फिल्म है चंबल, जो अभिषेक चौबे डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, and we are going to start very soon. आप ही बता दीजिए सोची कि मैंने तो रूमर्स नहीं सुने. नहीं, that's a long story. हम उसके बारे में आराम से डिस्कस करेंगे. Yeah. जी, बॉम्बे वर्किंग.
ऐसे सवाल ढूंढ के लाते हो आप, कैसे हो, क्या हाल है? How you doing? How you guys? How are you? Good how? Come. पूरा हिलाए भाई फिल्म के क्या जो आग लगाई वही हो रहा है। साकिब भाई लेफ्ट पे ऊपर यहाँ पे लेफ्ट कॉर्नर लेफ्ट यहाँ पे यहाँ पे एक बार प्लीज साकिब भाई।
You want to cross, ma'am?
Yes, I'm waiting to cross. Never get done.
Are we done? What's happening?
Come. Hello guys, what's up? कैसे हैं आप? जी, आप कैसी हैं? बड़े दिन बाद जी। अरे क्या बात है, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। यार एक डिज़ाइनर है जिनका नाम है कार्तिक, ये उनका कॉस्ट्यूम है जी। आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द फिल्म फेयर स्टाइल एंड ग्लैमर अवार्ड्स। मतलब वी ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप एंड कम, सो लेट्स सी मे द बेस्ट गाय विन यार, है ना। हाँ, मैंने अभी अपार शक्ति आयुष्मान को देखा, सोनम हर्ष को देखा, हम दोनों भी आ गए हैं। तो आज सिबलिंग डे है क्या? हाँ, मतलब आज मना लेते हैं, इस ओकेजन पे हम सिबलिंग डे भी मना लेते हैं। I think Bachchan Saab is really stylish, and I really like Imran Khan, the actor. I think he also really dresses up well. अरे मैडम, रेस 3 अभी अगली ईद पे आनी है, अभी तो टाइगर जिंदा है, उसके बारे में आपको बात करनी चाहिए, अभी टाइम है रेस 3 में। आई थिंक it is like the first 2 races. Everybody is a race character, nobody is positive or negative, everybody is trying to do something or the other in the film. It's a very interesting film and it is a huge franchise to be part of. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी है, जब रेस 1 आई थी तब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ता था और मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सोचा था मैं इस पिक्चर में काम करूँगा। अब रेस 3 बन रही है एंड आई एम डूइंग समथिंग इन इट, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड। नए साल पे अभी जब बनाता हूँ प्लान तो आपको सबसे पहले बताता हूँ। नहीं, अभी कोई प्लान ही नहीं बना है, कोई जब बनेगा तो सबसे पहले आपको ही पता चलेगा। I just want to enter the new year with a lot of positivity and a lot of hope, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, every year brings with itself a new set of challenges and things, so we'll look forward to that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Hi. Good evening. Good evening. Expectations is about glamour, it's about style, so you've already seen a lot of glamour and style, so a bit of that. Thank you.
आज होता क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Well done. Pooja.
Yes. Good evening. How are you? Yeah. Oh, it's completely princessy. It's a Lebanese designer, Charbel Karam, and I think it makes me feel all fairy-like. Bringing up the glam quotient tonight in my life. I think Hrithik Roshan in Men for sure, I mean Gayatri Devi is wonderful in her style back then.
I'm wearing Atelier Zohair. Yeah. I think it's Atelier Zohair. If I'm not Thank you. Well, I mean, it's always nice, but everybody knows that there's a huge team of people that works at making me look like this. Otherwise, I'm usually in my pajamas. हाँ जी, मुझे मज़ा आता है अच्छे कपड़े पहनने में, रेडी होने में, और वो आई थिंक वही सबको दिखाई देता है। जैकी और मैं बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, और उसके स्केड्यूल की वजह से और मेरे स्केड्यूल की वजह से आई थिंक करीब मैं अमेरिका का 2 महीने हो गए हैं। आई हैवंट सीन हर बट वी ऑलवेज इन टच। सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक NDA है और मैं उस फिल्म के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो you'll have to excuse me। हाँ, मेरी तीनों फिल्म्स ख़त्म हो गई हैं, वीरे दी वेडिंग, पैडमैन और डथ, और तीनों ख़त्म हो गई हैं। और अब 26 जैन को पैडमैन रिलीज़ हो रही है, डथ आई थिंक एंड मार्च को रिलीज़ हो रही है, और वीरे दी वेडिंग 18th May को रिलीज़ हो रही है। You know, today's Style and Glamour Awards, and we stick to that, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
हाय, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसे हो? इन्हें कपड़े कहते हैं, डिज़ाइनर कौन? फ़ोन करना पड़ेगा मुझे। वो स्टाइलिस्ट का तो नाम मुझे पता है, मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है लक्ष्मी। लक्ष्मी का सरनेम क्या है, मैंने पूछा ही नहीं अभी। हाँ, लक्ष्मी लहर इज़ हर नेम। शी हैज़ स्टाइल मी, सॉरी। ज़रा बहुत ही मुश्किल सवाल है, क्योंकि मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट तो शायद है ही नहीं। मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा, आप बताएं, मुझे नहीं पता। I look up at people for other things, not necessarily for style. I think what inspires me and what I find very stylish is confidence. I think, and the confidence comes from, you can't really fake it. Confidence comes from your accomplishments. Accomplishments come from hard work. So in short, if you work hard, you will eventually look stylish. Yeah. Well, it's a very clear indication of our level of evolution. We are still evolving as a society and as individuals. I think it's just a reflection of the fact that we still have a long way to go to evolve into beings that can, be bereft of all these problems and issues of assumptions and attacks, and it's not right. अभी तो शेयर करने के लिए ज़्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं, सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, even more excited right now because I'm on the heels of doing a very inspiring film called Super 30. मेरे हिसाब से दुनिया में सबसे जो ग्लैमरस चीज़ है, जो हमारे जो सबसे बड़े स्टार्स हैं वो हमारे टीचर्स हैं, क्योंकि ये जो वो लोग हैं who actually educate and help progress the human species. मेरे पीछे कोई है जो आपको एंटरटेन कर रहा है, हाँ? आप इनका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं तो मैं जाऊँ? Thank you and thank you.
मेरा टर्न है अभी.
नमस्कार, हाउ आर यू? बोलिए बोलिए. आई एम वेयरिंग नीडल एंड थ्रेड. इट्स वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट रिसेंट फाइंड्स और उनके कपड़े बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. सो आई वॉन इट लाइक 2 times in a row. सो नीडल एंड थ्रेड. ग्लैमरस होने में टाइम लगता है. आज मुझे तकरीबन 1 घंटा और 15 मिनट लग गया. फ्रॉम लाइक सिटिंग एंड लीविंग द हाउस. मैं अभी कह रही थी एक्चुअली दैट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू वेयर, अबाउट हाउ यू वेयर इट. सो आई थिंक उस मामले में मिस्टर बच्चन, आई थिंक नो वन कैन बीट हिम. He wears the most simplest clothing item. He just has so much style within himself that it just looks so stylish. So Mr. Bachchan. Yeah, a lot of things have happened, and now I think the new year is also coming. So looking forward to new years and new beginnings and new starts.
We're not here to talk about it. Ali, come.
I think I don't think right now we should talk about it, but I have given my opinion on it, and I want to stick to that opinion. But let's all hope for a happy ending for everyone. Thank you.
सामने एकदम सामने मैम यहाँ पे
I'm wearing Ziyad Naqad. Ziyad Naqad. It's very difficult to just name one because style has become very important. Sub fashionable hai. I mean, they're all very good in fashion. They dress up very well. They look very beautiful. जी हम यहाँ फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड के फंक्शन के लिए आए हैं, तो वो बाद में बात करेंगे ना। सपोर्ट करना चाहिए थैंक यू।
अभी सेकंड मार्क ये मार्क का अच्छा वरुण सामने एकदम वरुण लेग में यहाँ पे ऊपर यहाँ पे
हाँ उषा का ले लो। कैसे हो? हेलो हाउ आर यू? क्या हाल है? कैप का बहुत अच्छा स्टाइल है आपका। ऐसे ही दिखाओ थोड़ा सा। और टायर के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ? सॉरी आई एम वेयरिंग गौरव गुप्ता एंड ये पूरा मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट ने मिल किया है जिसका नाम है निकिता जयसिंह। सो फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम वर्किंग विद हर, सो इट्स आई रियली लाइक इट। आई थिंक कुछ नया है क्योंकि हाँ काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, नई चीज़ें करनी चाहिए ज़िंदगी में। इट फील्स अमेजिंग। हम लोग ने फिल्म 38 डेज़ में कंप्लीट किया एंड इट्स अनदर एक्सपीरियंस। दिस फिल्म इज़ मोर देन अ फिल्म फॉर मी। मैं ज़्यादा कहना नहीं चाहूँगा बट डेफिनेटली इसका इम्पैक्ट काफ़ी रहा है मुझ पे एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। सो आई थिंक लेट्स सी, आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली चेंज्ड मी एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। हाँ नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, आपको दे देता हूँ अभी, आ जाओ ले लो, आ जाओ। हम तो ठीक है, क्यों आप कौन हो? हम हैं, बाकी सब पानी कम है। नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं डर लगता है। क्यों डर बिल्कुल लगना भी नहीं चाहिए। नहीं बिल्कुल। अरे क्यों खोल के पूछो ना, क्यों आपको क्यों डर लग रहा है पूछने में? आपको पूछने के लिए चालान नहीं मिलेगा किसी से, पूछ लो। सो अक्टूबर जैसे कि मैंने कहा अभी कंप्लीट हो गई। सुजीदा के साथ काम करना मेरा एक ड्रीम था जो अब पूरा हो गया एंड होपफुली आफ्टर लॉन्ग आई हैव डन समथिंग विच इज़ डिफरेंट। सो लेट्स सी, अप्रैल 13 को रिलीज़ होगी। यू नो आई स्पोक अबाउट इट इनिशियली जब ये बाहर आया था। मैंने कहा भी कि प्रोटेस्टिंग पीसफुली इज़ फाइन, इट्स अ डेमोक्रेसी, एवरीवन शुड बी अलाउड टू वॉइस देयर ओपिनियन टोटली एंड वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट दैट, बट मेकिंग अ थ्रेट इज समथिंग दैट शुड नॉट बी अलाउड इन अ डेमोक्रेसी एंड आई बिलीव इन आवर जुडिशरी एंड आई एम श्योर दे विल मैनेज इट। When it comes to style, I think Mr. Bachchan is always very well dressed. Dev Anand is someone I loved what Dev Anand used to wear in his films. वो जिस तरीके के सूट्स पहनते थे, मफलर्स पहनते थे, जो स्टाइल था। शमी कपूर, आई थिंक ऑल so many of our yesterday superstars definitely एक बेंचमार्क सेट करके गए हम सब के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ अरे आप पेपर के साथ क्यों हो? इट्स प्रॉबेबली मेरे लिए ये सबसे सफल साल रहा है। इट्स बीन माई बेस्ट ईयर द बॉक्स ऑफिस, क्योंकि जुड़वा एंड बद्री बोथ हैव डन सो वेल। बहुत प्यार मिला है ऑडियंस से, बट एक तरीके से एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ गई है अभी ऑडियंस के प्रति कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है। एंड ऑब्वियसली मैं जिस तरीके का काम करता हूँ हमेशा बच्चों को ध्यान में रख के करता हूँ, दैट उन लोगों का भी मनोरंजन हो जब फिल्म बनती है। नए साल से बस मैं अमन की प्रार्थना करता हूँ हमारे देश में और दूसरे देशों में भी, दैट एवरीवन शुड बी सेफ एंड द वर्ल्ड शुड बी मोर पीसफुल। हाँ जी, वो फरवरी में शुरू होगी, सुई धागा मेड इन इंडिया। थैंक यू गाइस। वापस आ जाओ। हाँ इनके साथ ठीक है, आ जाओ। यू गॉट इट।
I don't think they're interested. Not interested? Should I go ahead? Okay. Okay, so tell me. Ask me some questions. Yes. Hi, how do you do? I'm wearing my stylist Tanya Vora tonight. आँख बंद करके जो मुझे कपड़े भेजते हैं मैं आँख बंद करके पहनता हूँ, कुछ नहीं देखता हूँ, चला जाता हूँ मैं. Yes, my style statement. It's a good question. Cool. I guess cool. Cool. I like being cool. I also choose to believe that I'm cool. I do. Hanji, boliye. Who do I look up to when it comes to style? Mr. Bachchan and Rekha ji. Thank you.
So we meet again. Hello. Ji. Wait, Nikhil Thampi. Stand here with me. First of all, Nikhil Thampi, my best friend, who's customized this outfit, and काफी different look है because that was his vision. And Nikhil wanted to style me differently, so हमने haircut भी different कराया. And I think Nikhil should now talk about the gown and about himself. But Nikhil, I like to say that this is a homage that Nikhil is paying to this late designer, Azadeen Adaya, who recently passed away, and he always celebrated womanhood. He always believed in he always believed the beauty of women in any shape, any size. He just knew and believed that women are beautiful. And this is one of his most iconic look. And Nikhil has made that, and we try to give it homage in his own way. And Nikhil has to speak more.
Hi guys. Firstly, thanks for having us. She looks like a dream come true. This is a very close look for us. We are giving an homage tonight to this late designer who is my inspiration, Azadeen Adaya, and it's an iconic look from his collection, and we've recreated it especially for the red carpet at Filmfare because it's celebrating style and glamour, and who better than Isha Gupta to canvas the painting. So she looks like a dream come true, and thank you so much.
Good to have best friends like these. Okay, thank you.
All right,
come.
सामने ऊपर सामने सर इधर देखिए सामने ऊपर सामने सर इधर अभी राइट में
सॉरी। अरे आप हर जगह कुर्सी बिठा लेते हैं ना अपनी। यस। ऑनेस्टली मोटिव वही था मूवी को लेकर कि ऐसा कुछ होए कि लोग नोटिस करें, और फॉर्चुनेटली वो हुआ, टच वुड। एंड मैं सच बोलूँ तो आई थिंक वो अभी तक यही चल रहा है कि बस अब आगे क्या, आई थिंक अब वो प्रेशर ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, इज़ व्हाट आई फील। मुझे अब ज़्यादा लगता है, पहले नहीं लगता था। भाई हमारी, माफ़ करो ये सवाल मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को सवाल सुनने। I finished shooting the film, so let's see. I think जल्दी रिलीज होगी। Actually, I don't know. I've forgotten. They told me their name. हाँ जी, Anisha, Gandhi and Rochelle have styled me, and जो मैंने पहना है अब मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा मैंने क्या पहना है, किसका पहना है। दीपिका पादुकोण। I think she is very graceful, very honest, और उनके चेहरे पे दिखता है और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है वो देख के। थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? ये बाइट देना है ना आपकी कभी नहीं अभी नहीं
आ रहे 5
अरे 84 ने ये साइड वाले जूते पे फोटो खींचा, रॉन्ग साइड वाले जूते। ऐसी टोपी आप रोज पहन के आते हो? आपको भी पहली बार देखा है मैंने टोपी। क्यों पहनी है आपने ये टोपी? उस पे क्या लिखा है? क्या इसके पीछे कोई राज है? क्या हाईलाइट? ये कौन सा अवार्ड है? ग्लैमर एंड? तो वहाँ पे कुछ स्पेशल पहनना चाहिए कि नहीं? तो पहन लिया मैंने। अनीशा जैन मुझे डिज़ाइन करती हैं और बहुत ही अच्छी डिज़ाइनर हैं, और आज भी उन्होंने ये पूरा आउटफिट डिज़ाइन किया है। जी, you know, I think we've had some very stylish people over the years, but there's nobody who has the charisma and the timelessness that Mr. Bachchan has. So I would always say Mr. Bachchan. Hello. कौन सी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर? Yes. What about it? Ask me a question and I can answer it. No, I don't think things have worsened. I think it's taking longer than anybody anticipated, and of course we're all surprised by the fact that it's taking so long. In the regular course of things, it never takes so long. So of course we're all surprised by that, and we all know that the release date of the film has been deferred. I don't think things are extremely bad. Of course, it's very strange the way things have happened, and it's very strange that people are choosing to decide before watching a film. So that's very weird. And I've been saying this all throughout कि भैया film देख लो, उसके बाद आप decide कीजिए. Why do you have so many preconceived notions which are not based on any facts? Because the facts can only be discussed once whatever you're talking about is viewed. So it's very surprising to see so many people talk about something they've not watched. So that's very surprising. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's in terrible taste, and really, this should not. I didn't expect. It's very surprising to see so much being said and so much being spoken about. A lady to begin with, and so I'm also very shocked about it. Very shocked. I promoted Padmavati all day. I did a radio trail, and then I did one more thing, I think. But after that, we didn't promote because we were not sure when we were going to release the film. So it doesn't make sense to go on promoting things unless there is a plan in place. And as soon as we have clarity on that, we will be everywhere. Ji. I'm glad that you feel he looks relaxed. I have not had the chance to meet him or speak to him. I wonder how you know. No, my heart goes out to him. He is probably the finest filmmaker that I've worked with, and he has tried his level best. See, eventually everything becomes subjective. Everybody can have an opinion, and the whole idea of a democracy is to respect each other's opinions and to do things with love and warmth and with belief that the person in front of us is not deliberately trying to harm us. So he's been at the receiving end of a lot of criticism. And he's not been able to show his film. And for somebody of his caliber to not be able to present his film is not something that is right for him at this stage and at this stature in his career. So I'm just wishing and praying and sending a lot of love to him every day. And really, give the film a shot, man. Why are you judging it? Just see it and decide for yourself. But see it, please. So it's basically been a nice big circle, and we're back to where we started, which is where we should have been, which is how it should have been. The CBFC should be the right body to take a decision, and I'm hoping that sooner, not later, because it's already been pretty long, we will get a decision. And like I said, I saw a lot of problems with Udta Punjab, and eventually the film released and everybody saw it, and the people the film was about loved it the most. And I really do believe that it will be similar for Padmavati. I just hope people see the film with an open heart and an open mind, and I will respect their opinions after that. But I really wish and pray that people see the film. Nobody will ever want to make a film to hurt anybody's sentiments, because everybody wants to make a film for the maximum number of people to view it. That's just the basic of cinema. So I hope people will believe in that. पता नहीं इस फिल्म का तो हर चीज़ जो भी हो रही है बहुत ही फर्स्ट टाइम टाइप हो रही है. So I don't know whether it will be better or worse or whatever. Eventually a good film does well, and whenever this film comes out, people will react the way they would to any other story that is being told. And if the film has the dignity and the strength and the originality and the cinematic effect that a good film should have, then I think people will speak well for it. And I believe that it's a good, really good film. I believe that. किसको मैसेज दूँ मैं? फैंस को? I think I've said everything I need to say because I understand you guys need answers, but it's not necessary to make sensational statements right now. I don't think that's the best thing to do. It would be wonderful to do that to get a lot of attention, but that's not my personality. My personality is I believe right now there is a situation and it must be contained and the right thing must happen. So I think I've said everything that I needed to say. Thank you.
Hi. Good evening. Good evening. I'm styled by Isha Bansali and I'm supposedly wearing Karthik. So the designer's name is also Karthik. So yeah. आज शाम से बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, काफ़ी ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइलिश ग्लैमरस लोग हैं यहाँ पे एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द इवेंट एंड द अवार्ड शो. सब लोग बहुत ही स्टाइलिश बन के आए हैं एंड होपफुली बहुत ग्लैमरस लोगों को अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे. Yeah, I've started almost finished. I mean, we are shooting the last song of Sonu ke Titu ki Sweetie, which is with the director of Pyar Ka Panchnama, Love Ranjan sir, and T-Series is producing the film. So it's almost done. We were, in fact, अभी pack up करके वहीं से आया हूँ and so yeah, अभी hopefully उसका जल्दी trailer आने वाला है. Teaser उसका already title announcement video एक already out है and so release date अभी बस announce होने वाली है. न्यू ईयर्स में मैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दिल्ली में होने वाला हूँ एंड हो सकता है कि उस टाइम पे प्रमोशन स्टार्ट हो जाए हम लोग के. सो आई विल बी प्रमोटिंग ऑन द न्यू ईयर्स. पिक्चर हिट हो जाए ये न्यू ईयर से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ एंड दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Second mark.
This is a rare sight. This is a rare sight. To what do we owe this pleasure? ये है सामने. This is a rare sighting that we see Madam Joyta. What am I wearing? I can answer that question for you tonight. There are a few nights where I can't. Tonight I actually do know this is. There's always a passing on these events. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier. So it's a French designer. You know, the thing is, when you say look up to someone, I think it means that it is something which is that you're extremely passionate about. Honestly, I love fashion. I love dressing up. I have a wonderful team who work with me and give me nice things to wear. But it's not a passion for me like how dancing is. So in terms of looking up to someone, it's not that
I would look up to someone, because it's not, I don't feel about it in that way. If I had to say who are the people who I think dress well, who I look and I'm thinking like, oh wow, that's like a good look put together, then of course you have to always say Sonam, because I don't think anyone has the sense of style and high fashion that she has. So yeah, I think it's always her. Swag se swagat. You know, I have learned one thing. It doesn't matter what response you're getting. Nothing matters until Friday, December 22nd. Only then, by I think 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, will we know what it is, how it is. Until then, nothing matters. But I mean, it's something I'm really looking forward to, and all my energies and everything is just focused now to the release of Tiger Zindagi. But you guys know what's releasing. That's okay. You think I'm the sweetest person? Thank you. You made my night. I love you. You're so sweet.
Okay, we need to hurry.
बार बात करेंगे।
Because you were busy. I gave you some space. So for you, I came back all the way, see? Just for you guys. Thank you. That's what was the agenda. So I'm satisfied with that compliment. Sorry? Not much actually, I just woke up like this. I'm just kidding. Nothing much, just put on a jacket, just put on these cool denim and shoes, and that's about it. There's a lot of fun happening inside. There's a lot of humor happening. Karan and Neha Dupia are cracking some jokes and making all of us laugh. So we're pretty much enjoying this evening. I'm not gonna tell you yet. बस करो यार, बस करो. इन्होंने मुझे 100 सवाल पूछ लिए पता इस एक महीने में. This man has asked me 100 questions about Bigg Boss. I'm not answering any questions about Bigg Boss, yeah. I am seriously telling you, मैं इस बार जो घर के लोग हैं उनका बिहेवियर देख के इतनी taken aback हूँ, इतनी shocked हूँ कि मैं देख ही नहीं पाती हूँ. I'm sorry, but I cannot watch what is happening in the house. It's quite disturbing. It's quite disturbing, the behavior. I don't know who the winner is going to be, but I think हमेशा से बिग बॉस के घर में जो भी टॉप 2, टॉप 3 रहे हैं, अच्छे लोग ही रहे हैं जो जनता ने सिलेक्ट किया है, जनता ने जिन्हें पसंद किया है. और आई बिलीव कि जो भी अच्छा इंसान होगा वो जीतेगा और उसे जीतना ही चाहिए. 2-3 लोग हैं तो देखते हैं who wins. माफ़ कर दो यार. मेरे हिसाब से बॉलीवुड में कि इंटरनेशनली. बिग बॉस की तो बात ही ना करो मुझसे. I'm just kidding. आई एम अ वेरी मच जेनिफर लोपेज फ़ैन और बॉलीवुड की बात की जाए तो मैं दीपिका, कंगना और सोनम कपूर को उनका स्टाइल मुझे पसंद है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे उनका। ज़्यादा नहीं, इट डिपेंड्स इफ़ यू आर डूइंग योर ओन हेयर एंड मेकअप तो टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है, पर अगर आपके पास मेकअप और हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, और जनरली मैं खुद अपना मेकअप करती हूँ, आई डोंट लाइक एनीबडी डूइंग माई मेकअप, आई एम वेरी फसी दैट वे, आई लाइक टू डू माई ओन मेकअप, सो स्लाइटली मोर देन दैट। Yes. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. I don't know, but you'll see me if I come. Yes. Oh, New Year plans. I'll have to kill you if I tell you. New Year resolution, you mean? I just want to be healthy and want to be fit, and I want everybody around me to be happy in their lives and stay healthy and have a great year ahead. Yes, thank you.
चल ना
Are you coming?
मॅम इकडे एकदा भूमी मॅम इकडे राईट राईट मॅम राईट
भूमि जी वीडियो के लिए थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर वीडियो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर
हो गया
ये अवार्ड के साथ में कोई रेडी ही नहीं। अरे ये
नहीं कर रही हूँ, स्टाइल अवार्ड
स्टाइल
Because of your pressure, I have to run out. You have to run out. Because of your pressure,
Sorry.
मैम राइट मैम राइट मैम राइट
चलो कौन नहीं घर जाना है अभी, बहुत लेट हो गया। चलो सिर्फ हाँ गाड़ी में है। नहीं अभी 12 बज गए, चलो। वाई विच ऑफिशियल? आप लोग रोज देखते हो। ये अवार्ड फिल्म फेयर ने दिया है, ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल अवार्ड्स, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू फिल्म फेयर, टाइम्स ग्रुप के। आई थिंक इट्स द फर्स्ट ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल अवार्ड्स, जैसे इंडिया में हम लोग आई थिंक फिल्म अवार्ड्स होता है, बट ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल आई थिंक फिल्म फेयर इज द फर्स्ट टू स्टार्ट इट।
स्टाइल की अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो who are you wearing today?
Well, it's obviously an international designer, styled by Riya Kapoor, who's also the producer of Veere the Wedding. So yeah, I think red carpet पे आना and dress up करना, I think everybody loves it, everybody enjoys that moment. So I mean I'm no less.
Last question.
But वो private बातें हो रही थी। हाँ।
अच्छा सबसे like the environment atmosphere regarding the film Padmavati.
हाँ. Any other questions? Thank you.
Support for Deepika, please. Any words for Deepika? एक award के साथ। नहीं award के साथ